Are you tired in the morning? Well, why not try and brew yourself a dirty Gusta? Let me show you how. First, open your supply locker. You'll see that you have at least one shot of whiskey left. Use it.
That's the stuff.
Next, walk up to the fridge. Open up the fridge. Decide on what you want.
Milk, sure.
Open up the drawer. Pick your favorite mug. This is very important.
That'll do.
Heat up the kettle. Forget about the other shit in the cabinet as well.
I forgot something, didn't I? Alright, of course. Can't forget. Brown sugar, I think. Yeah, sure, whatever. And, what do we have back over there, huh? What's this? Alright, my favorite roast of coffee. Alright.
Beans. A lot of them. More.
Shit.
Just for a good measure, try out the whiskey.
Yeah, sure, why not? Just for a good measure. Yeah, that's the shit.
Pour yourself another shot. No, just kidding. This one is for the coffee. Mix it all in. Nice and easy.
Shit. Fucking stir it, right? Why am I stirring this? There's no point.
Contemplate
stirring
your
this.
life.
What's wrong with me? And just add that bad boy in, right? Look at that foam, yo.
And there you have it. You've got yourself a perfect Irish cup. I mean, dirty Gusta. Yes, that. Check out these happy customer reviews. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope you learned how to make yourself a fine picker-upper in the morning.